Have you ever wondered how millions of bright yellow lemons make their way from vast farms in California to your kitchen every single day? From refreshing summer drinks to gourmet dishes and even beauty products, lemons have become one of the most essential fruits in modern life. But behind this simple citrus lies a massive agricultural system driven by precision, technology, and years of dedication. In the United States, lemon production reaches an impressive 850,000 to 900,000 tons every year, with California alone contributing more than 90% of that output. Thanks to its Mediterranean climate, warm summers, mild winters, and fertile soil, California has earned its title as the lemon capital of America. But lemons are more than just a sour fruit. They are packed with vitamin C, citric acid, and powerful antioxidants that support immune health, digestion, and skin care. Their versatility makes them a key ingredient across food, beverage, cosmetic, and pharmaceutical industries. So how does this journey really work? From carefully nurtured orchards to advanced processing facilities, today we'll explore the complete story of lemons, from farm to factory, and finally, to your table. Stay with us as we uncover the fascinating journey behind one of the world's most iconic fruits. Every great harvest begins long before the fruit appears. It starts with the soil. Lemon trees thrive in well-drained sandy loam soil with a slightly acidic pH between 5.5 and 6.5. Before planting begins, farmers carefully prepare the land by plowing the soil, removing weeds, and enriching it with organic compost and essential nutrients like nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium. But here's something surprising: most commercial lemons are not grown from seeds. Instead, farmers use a technique called grafting. In this process, a healthy rootstock is combined with a high-quality lemon shoot. This allows the tree to grow stronger, resist diseases, and produce more consistent, high-quality fruit. These grafted plants are first nurtured in controlled nursery environments for about 6 to 12 months before being transplanted into open orchards. Once ready, the young trees are planted in rows, spaced about 15 to 20 feet apart. This spacing is crucial. It ensures proper sunlight exposure, air circulation, and room for each tree to grow to its full potential. Water management is another critical factor. Lemon trees need consistent moisture, but too much water can damage their roots and lead to disease. To solve this, most modern farms use drip irrigation systems. These systems deliver water directly to the root zone, minimizing waste while maintaining optimal soil moisture. In some cases, mist irrigation is also used to regulate humidity and support plant growth. As the trees grow, farmers must carefully monitor their development. Lemon trees typically take about 3 to 5 years before they begin producing fruit. During this time, one of the most important practices is pruning. After the first 1 or 2 years, farmers remove weak, damaged, or overcrowded branches. This helps improve air circulation, increase sunlight penetration, and allow the tree to focus its energy on producing healthy fruit. In large-scale orchards, pruning is often done using specialized machines to ensure uniform growth and efficiency. This careful balance of soil preparation, irrigation, pruning, and pest control forms the foundation of every successful lemon harvest. After years of care, the orchard finally begins to transform. Lemon trees typically bloom between February and May, depending on the climate. During this time, delicate white blossoms cover the trees, filling the air with a light, refreshing fragrance. Pollination is a crucial step in this process. Bees play a vital role, transferring pollen from flower to flower, allowing the fruit to begin forming. Once pollinated, tiny green lemons start to develop, marking the beginning of a new growth cycle. Over the following months, the fruit gradually matures. The skin changes from deep green to a vibrant yellow, and the aroma becomes more pronounced. This color shift is more than just visual, it signals that the balance between acidity and sweetness has reached its ideal point. But harvesting lemons is not as simple as it may seem. Unlike some crops that can be fully mechanized, lemons are usually picked by hand to preserve their quality. Workers carefully twist the fruit or use small clippers to cut the stem, ensuring that the peel is not damaged. This gentle approach helps extend shelf life and maintain the fruit's appearance. In large orchards, thousands of pounds of lemons can be harvested each day. Workers place the fruit into picking bags, which are then emptied into large bins for transport. To improve efficiency, some farms have introduced mechanical harvesting machines. These machines use vibration systems to shake the trees, causing the fruit to fall onto collection platforms. While this method is faster, it comes with trade-offs. The shaking motion can potentially damage both the fruit and the tree, which is why manual harvesting is still preferred for premium quality lemons. Once collected, speed becomes critical. The harvested lemons are quickly transported using tractors and trucks to nearby processing facilities. This rapid movement helps preserve freshness and ensures that the fruit arrives in optimal condition for the next stage. When lemons arrive at the processing facility, their journey is far from over. In fact, this is where precision and technology take center stage. The first step is cleaning. Lemons pass through automated washing systems where they are thoroughly rinsed using clean water combined with mild disinfectant solutions. This process removes dirt, dust, bacteria, and any remaining pesticide residues, ensuring food safety. After washing, the lemons move onto sorting lines. Here, advanced machines equipped with optical sensors and AI technology analyze each fruit. They evaluate size, color, shape, and external defects with incredible speed and accuracy. At the same time, trained workers perform manual inspections to ensure that no flawed fruit passes through. This combination of automation and human expertise guarantees consistent quality. The lemons are then carefully classified. Premium-grade lemons, those with perfect color, size, and appearance, are selected for fresh markets. Meanwhile, smaller or slightly blemished fruits are redirected to processing industries. In some cases, lemons undergo additional preparation. They may be peeled, sliced, or trimmed depending on their final use. Each step is designed to maintain freshness while preparing the fruit for further processing or packaging. By this stage, what began as a simple fruit has already gone through a highly controlled system designed to maximize quality, efficiency, and value. Not all lemons are destined to be sold fresh. In fact, a significant portion of the harvest is transformed into a wide range of value-added products that extend shelf life and maximize the fruit's potential. One of the most common products is lemon juice. After sorting, processing-grade lemons are sent to industrial juicing systems where they are carefully pressed to extract as much juice as possible. The juice is then filtered and pasteurized to ensure safety while preserving its natural flavor and nutrients. But the innovation doesn't stop there. One increasingly popular product is lemon powder. The process begins with thoroughly washing the lemons to remove any remaining impurities. Then, the fruit is sliced into thin, uniform pieces. This step is essential because it allows moisture to be removed evenly during drying. Next comes the drying stage. The lemon slices are placed into controlled drying systems where temperature and airflow are carefully regulated. This process removes moisture while preserving the fruit's natural color, flavor, and nutritional content, especially vitamin C and citric acid. Once fully dried, the slices become crisp and lightweight. They are then ground using industrial grinders to create a fine, consistent powder. This lemon powder is highly versatile. It dissolves easily in water, making it ideal for beverages, cooking, and even cosmetic and pharmaceutical applications. Beyond juice and powder, lemons are also used to produce essential oils. The peel of the lemon contains aromatic compounds that are extracted through steam distillation. These oils are widely used in perfumes, cleaning products, and aromatherapy. Even the byproducts are valuable. Peels, pulp, and zest can be processed into flavorings, food additives, or natural preservatives like citric acid. This ensures that almost every part of the lemon is utilized, reducing waste and increasing overall efficiency. Once processed or selected for fresh consumption, Lemons move on to the final stage, packaging and distribution. For fresh markets, lemons are carefully packed into cartons, crates, or mesh bags depending on their destination. Mesh bags are especially popular in retail because they allow airflow, reducing moisture buildup and helping extend shelf life. For bulk distribution, large crates are used. These containers are designed to protect the fruit from damage while allowing proper ventilation during transport. Temperature control is critical at this stage. Lemons are stored in refrigerated warehouses where both temperature and humidity are carefully managed. This slows down the ripening process and helps maintain freshness for weeks. From there, the lemons begin their global journey. They are transported by trucks, ships, and sometimes even air freight to reach supermarkets, restaurants, and factories around the world. The journey of a lemon is far more complex than it appears. From carefully grafted seedlings and precisely managed orchards to skilled harvesting and advanced processing technologies, every step is part of a highly coordinated system. Behind each lemon is years of tree growth, months of careful cultivation, and the combined effort of farmers, engineers, and workers who ensure that only the best products reach consumers. What seems like a simple fruit is actually the result of innovation, dedication, and a deep understanding of agriculture. And its impact goes far beyond the kitchen. Lemons support global industries, from food and beverages to cosmetics and healthcare, making them one of the most versatile and valuable crops in the world. So the next time you squeeze a slice of lemon into your drink or use it in your favorite recipe, remember the incredible journey it took to get there. From orchard to factory, and finally, to your table. If you enjoyed this journey and want to explore more fascinating stories behind everyday foods, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And tell us in the comments, which part of the lemon journey surprised you the most?